This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you how to cancel a free Amazon Prime trial before you start getting charged money. Go to Amazon.com, make sure that you're logged in. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see something that says Accounts and Lists. Hover over that and then scroll down and select Prime Membership. And then you'll see on the kind of the upper right corner, there's a tab that says Update, Cancel, and More. So select that and then select End Membership. Okay, they're going to try to convince you to keep on using it because they want you to start paying, $14.99 or whatever it is every month in order to continue your subscription. If you want to continue to cancel, press the yellow button that says Continue to Cancel. And it says Cancel on renewal 2/21/25. So the good thing about this is that it's actually going to give me about 2.5 weeks to continue watching or using the Amazon Prime benefits, such as free shipping. That's fine with me. And I'm just going to select End on February 21st, 2025. So I will not be charged the monthly fee, which is exactly what I want. And I can go on with my life. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and see you next time.